Welcome to Vision Achieved, my daily advice about one company stock and also develop a habit to purchase one share per day of one company after doing a thorough analysis instead of spending that money on some unwanted, unnecessary expense. So, this is what I do. I analyze one stock per day and share with you. The share I have selected today is Aegis, Aegis Logistics. Why? Because the fundamental of this company are very good. And at this point of time, on stock market, this stock, this share is giving a right technical signal worth having a look at it and investing into it. Okay. And of course, we will be using the information given on few websites such as screener.in, Economic Times, Money Control, and I will be using my ICICI Direct account to make a purchase. In fact, this share I have already purchased, so I'll be only showing you the outcome that the share has been purchased today. And finally, we'll go through the exit strategy. Okay? So these are the details about Aegis Logistics available on screener.in, which is an amazing website which help you analyze a share along with its fundamental data and performance. The market capital of this company is 12,000 crore, and this stock is listed on both BSE as well as NSE. Today price is 343 plus minus. This stock has moved the highest value of 410 and the lowest 198 in last 12 months. The price to earning ratio, which is 343, and the earning per share divided by earning per share is 26. And the PB into P is 88, less than 100. So we can say in Indian market, where generally all market valuation of companies is very high, 88 is pretty good. Less than 100 is good. Okay, so how's in terms of management, how is the management performing? The ROC, ROE, and ROA, these three parameters, ROCE, ROE, and ROA, are showing pretty good sign. Both are ROCE and ROA are about 10, and return on asset is 9.18, which is very close to 10. About 10, I give a good rating to management. Okay. And earning per share is 13 rupees. So 343 divided by 13.2 is 26. Okay. That's what it is here. Total number of share this company has is 35 crore 10 lakh, 35.1 at an equity of 1 rupee per share. Now coming to the interesting figures. The company has taken a loan. It has a debt of roughly 1924 crore, which is high. Yes, it's high. However, the way to read it is as follows. We'll analyze, is it good or bad? To generate a sale of 8,600 crore, they needed assets worth 1,900 crore. So they took loan of 1,924 crore. In other words, you can also say that to generate a profit of 511 crore, pure profit, they needed a loan of 1,924 crore, which is 4x. So debt to profit ratio is 3.77 and debt to equity is less than 1, which is pretty good. So now interest coverage ratio, they had to pay last year an interest of 88 crore, which make the lenders happy. So this company is helping running the economy because financial institute have to give their money to these companies. So they grow in the process, financial institute also grow. So which is pretty good. Their interest coverage ratio is 8.3, which is a bit low, I will suggest, because what it means is to pay an interest of 1 rupee, they had 8 rupee in their pocket. So 88.3. So it's like this, EBIT divided by 88.2 will come to 8.3. Okay? So they had total 733 crore rupees to pay. However, the interest was just 88, whereas the capital price was already taken as actual cost of operation. Cash flow from operation is 358. The company is maintaining good cash flow. The debtors day is 35 and working capital day is 19. So comfortable. 19 is low. It should be more than 60, but it's okay. Now let's see who is holding. How much is the holding? Promoters are still holding 58% and they have zero debt. So they are not taking loan against the shares, which is good. And FIIs and DIs put together are holding 21%. So whenever FI and DI is holding more than 10 each or 20% together, it's a good sign. That means these mutual funds and foreign institute investors, they all have done a thorough analysis of this company. And as a result, they have invested big sum in this company. And general public is holding 20%. Okay. So now coming to their last year sales performance, they did sale of 8,627 crore, of which operating profit was 672 crore and net profit was 511 crore, which we saw there, which is itself is a growth, which was growth of 86% from previous year in sales, to 25% and 29% respectively for operating profit and net profit, which is good sign. So this company is growing in last 12 months. Now let's see immediate future. Immediate future is next quarter. So friends, the next quarter is as follows. Next quarter will end on June 30th and we are already on June 7th. So 2 months are already gone. Third month of the quarter one of year 2024. So expected sales quarterly, last quarter, which ended on 31st March, they had done a sale of 2,154 crore, which is suddenly jumping to 5,297 crore, a growth of 146%, which is huge. So they are booking some big orders this quarter. Their operating profit, which was 203 crore, is expected to jump to 344 crore, which is a jump of almost close to 70%, 69.7 to be precise. And their net profit last quarter ended on 31st March was 159 crore, is suddenly growing to 241 crore. And therefore, which is a growth of 51%. So earning per share is also good, has grown by 50%. And this company has been paying pretty good dividend. So of the 511 crore, their profit, they paid a dividend of 87 crore, which is about 9%. So this was previous year. Last year was 43 crore. So they paid a dividend of 43.9 crore of 511, which is 9.48 crore. And as a result, I want to introduce something called SSGR, self-sustainable growth rate. They are showing 4.2. Vis-a-vis their sales growth in last 3 years has been 6.3%. Cumulative growth for 5 years, 12.5, 21. So this company has been doing pretty well year after year. So we can, safely assume that next quarter will be a bumper quarter, and therefore the stock will grow. Okay. Now the next is technical analysis. Many companies give prediction, right? So Times of India has given a prediction that this stock is likely to jump up to 480 rupees in coming 12 months, which is 40% growth. Median growth is 388. I mean, by mid-August or end of August, this would have definitely crossed 400 rupees as per the current indicators. So now coming to the technical indicators. On the technical chart, Aegis has given interesting indicator that their Bollinger Band has just gone below zero level, as well as RSI also has gone below, and it has given positive signal that this is the best time to invest in this share. And that's what happened past 2 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the share has started going up, up, up. Monday it was going down, but then Tuesday and Wednesday, 2 days. So today we caught the signal right in time. So this is the best opportunity. At the same time, this yellow line, which is a 200-day MA, is just touching here. So that means the stock has taken a support of 200 MA line and started moving up. And therefore, this stock is likely to grow. Okay. Over a period of time, last 1 year, the stock has been continuously growing. You can see the moving average of 200 days has been going up. So good stock to invest. Okay. Now coming to the final step. In fact, this share I had already invested, but somehow I missed the recording of that session. So I'll show you the outcome. So here is AEG log, 6th June. Last night I had placed the order. The order got executed this morning, first thing. The trade price was 349 and the order stand executed. So this stock has been purchased. Okay. So now let's move on to the exit strategy. So today, 7th June, we are making an investment in Aegis Logistics. As a part of my habit, I buy one share. That doesn't mean that my portfolio is that. My portfolio is different. You can also choose to buy any number of stocks. For sake of this video, I have purchased one stock and I'll also demonstrate when to sell this stock. Okay. 344 is the purchase price and we will sell it somewhere between 388 to 480, somewhere in the mid-August when this stock will definitely touch around 400 rupees. Okay. My name is Pramod Deshmukh, ladies and gentlemen, and I run a program called Vision Achieved. My personal daily program is to analyze many stocks and then pick and choose one of them. So today, before selecting Aegis Logistics, I have rejected many stocks. And if you join my program, you will also learn how to pick and choose the best stock, which can give you decent return in next 2 to 3 months. I don't do I don't do futures and option, which I feel is not good for common investors, even though there is, big talk going on about it. But no, it's for me, future and option is gamble. But systematic investment after studying the stock and then investing at the right time and exiting at right time is part of an investment strategy. I generally like to stay invested for minimum 45 days to a maximum of lifetime, any number of years. Okay? So if you're interested, contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in the YouTube video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.